वो जहाँ से उत्पत्ति हुआ है वहाँ से थोड़ा दूर जाने के बाद ही ना वो आवाज़ आया, तो जहाँ हुआ वहीं पे नहीं ना आवाज़ था उसका। तो चलो जैसे एग्जाम्पल बोले कि यहाँ से हम उत्पत्ति और यहाँ से उस पार गए तब जाकर
So we are crossing the Pipa Bridge now,
वहाँ से देखिए।
and we are going to the other side of the Kumbh Mela. So this is Sangam, and then right side the Ganga river after meeting with Yamuna. So you can see here this beautiful, spectacular view of Kumbh Mela. Now we are crossing the Pipa Bridge now. Okay, and many people, devotees, pilgrims are taking holy dips. And behind me there is Arail tent city. This is the true spirit of Mahakumbh, and you can see right side Prayagraj tent city, a great initiative by Yogi government to organize this great festival, and many tents have been put up there, and I am also residing in one of the tents, and millions of pilgrims are flocking day and night to celebrate the spirit of Mahakumbh. And you can see on the other side there is another tent city, which is Arail tent city on the other side of the Ganga river over there. And there are a few pipa pools, and if you cross that, then you will come to the Prayagraj tent city, and many tents have been put up here so that the pilgrims don't have to face difficulties to attend this great festival, the spirit of Mahakumbh. In Mahakumbh Mela, we are fortunate enough to meet the Naga Sadhus, the great Naga Sadhus. There are enormous history of these Naga Sadhus. They are extremely, incredibly respected in the country and across the world, and we are fortunate enough to have the blessings of the Naga Sadhus in this Mahakumbh Mela. And already we got the blessings from the Naga Sadhus, and we are so blessed to have these, and we are so blessed to visit this Mahakumbh Mela. Spectacular view of the Mahakumbh Mela. You see here, right there, the Mela campus, the Mela area has been turned into a big tent city, and many people, including multiple sadhus, many sadhus, saints, and ordinary people, the ordinary devotees, have come here to celebrate the spirit of Mahakumbh Mela. And you see here how beautifully the entire area has been lit, and the entire area has been turned into a big tent city. And there is Sangam, Triveni Sangam, the sacred confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati rivers. And I am just awestruck witnessing this spectacular and religious spiritual beauty, and if I can say, the spiritual magic. A complete mystic environment. And I am so fortunate to witness the great spiritual event. Because after 144 years, Maha Kumbh Mela has been organized. After 12 years, it is Purn Kumbh, 6 years Ardh Kumbh, and 144 years, it's Maha Kumbh. And to celebrate this great divine festival, entire area with people, ordinary devotees, and I can say millions of saints have gathered here with the great spirit of Hinduism and humanity. Magical view of the river Ganga. After Yamuna gets merged with it, and you can see there its Sangam, and Maha Kumbh Mela has been organized this time, and after 144 years it is another Maha Kumbh. And that side you have the merging of river Yamuna and Ganga and mystical river Saraswati, and Mahasangam, Triveni Sangam. And this side you will have sector 19, 20, 21, 22, and on the other side you will have sector 3, 4, like that. And that side is Arel side, and this side is Juicy side. And you can see the magical view of Prayag or Sangam, Triveni Sangam, and Ganga after getting merged with Yamuna. And we are so happy witnessing this spiritual moment, the moment for lifetime, the moment to be remembered throughout our lives. And we are so fortunate that we are able to witness this spectacular event, a major spiritual journey of our lives. And tomorrow we will take the holy dip at Triveni Sangam, a sacred confluence of Ganga, Yamuna, and mystical river Saraswati. You can see behind me lakhs of devotees are taking bath, holy dips in Sangam. See, lakhs of devotees are taking bath in Sangam. Just behind me, in this Maha Kumbh Mela, and behind me is the Sangam. And then people, the devotees, pilgrims are taking bath, a holy dip, to celebrate this true spirit of Maha Kumbh Mela. Just see the spectacular view behind me. The magical view of Maha Kumbh Mela, and you can see lakhs, millions of devotees, pilgrims are taking holy dips in this Mahakumbh Mela. This spectacular view, the magical view, the spiritual view of this magnificent event. And I am so happy, so fortunate to witness this spectacular, magical, spiritual event. Ordinary devotees, millions of ordinary devotees are taking bath every day in this magical event. You can see here that millions of devotees have gathered here to celebrate the true spirit of Mahakumbh Mela. And wherever you can see the sea of people, like a sea of people. Everywhere you will find only heads of devotees who have come here to celebrate the true spirit of Mahakumbh Mela. A great religious gathering, probably the greatest religious gathering on this planet. 44 crores people have come here to celebrate the true spirit of Mahakumbh Mela. And the entire Prayagraj city has turned into a tent city. And thanks to Yogi government for organizing such a spectacular event and in such a organized manner. Wherever you can see only tent and ordinary devotees who have come from a very long distance and have gathered here to witness this magical spiritual event. Wherever I am going, you can see behind me so many people who have come here to take their holy dips in Sangam. And wherever I can show you, you can see behind me millions of people. 440 million ordinary devotees have come here to celebrate the true spirit of Mahakumbh Mela, the biggest and largest religious event on this planet. Now we are taking the boat ride, and you can see Yamuna river, that side, left side Yamuna river, and right side Ganga river, and in the middle we are proceeding towards Sangam, Triveni Sangam, the great confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and mystical Saraswati river. Now I am in the middle of Ganga and Yamuna river, just Sangam, where both the waters are getting merged and it is becoming Ganga. Just behind me, you can see just behind me, and all the sides the devotees have gathered and taking holy dips. And just behind me, the marching of Ganga and Yamuna and mythological Saraswati rivers. And this is Sangam, Triveni Sangam, the confluence of sacred Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, mystical Saraswati river. Mythological Saraswati rivers we can't see, but it's mystical river. And you can see Yamuna left side, Ganga right side, and this is Sangam, Triveni Sangam, where people are taking holy dips. Spectacular view. You can see here spectacular view of Triveni Sangam. And people, devotees are taking holy dips here. Magical view. Triveni Sangam, the holy confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati rivers. And we are so fortunate to witness this spectacular event, the spiritual and philosophical event. Mahakumbh Mela, 440 million people, ordinary devotees have come here to celebrate this spiritual and magical event. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Javag Samang Sankasam Kashtapayam Mahadutin Antari Sarvapapam Natanautu Sri Divakaram. And we are now at Triveni Sangam taking bath, taking holy dips. And this is the place, Triveni Sangam, the sacred confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati rivers. And we have come here to take holy dips. And we are so happy, so fortunate to witness this spectacular philosophical and spiritual event. Mahakumbh Mela. 440 million people have gathered, devotees have gathered this year. And this is the sacred Triveni Sangam. Ganga and Yamuna river are getting merged just beside the fort. You can see here and millions of devotees are watching and witnessing that spectacular event. Left hand side Yamuna and right hand side Ganga, and in between Triveni Sangam, the sacred confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and the mystical Saraswati rivers. In this Mahakumbh Mela, we are also staying in a tent. You can see here, so this is a tent, and the Yogi government has made this city a kind of a tent city. There is no problem in the arrangement, and you can see beds and chairs, and you have all the arrangements available. And if I go out little bit, then you will see that this is also a tent city. The entire campus has been turned into a tent city. Multiple tents in many places have been put up so that people, the devotees who are coming from outside, can stay here and can take part in Mahakumbh Mela. They can celebrate the true spirit of this great religious festival. This is the time to get back to the regular life. So we are leaving Prayagraj and Mahakumbh Mela. It will happen again after 144 years. So we'll have to bid adieu to Mahakumbh Mela and millions of devotees. You see, again they are walking. So goodbye Mahakumbh Mela, and we will cherish these memories forever. And you can see that many devotees are returning on their way to their hometowns, villages. And we can see only heads, and we are proceeding toward Naini Bridge, and below Naini Bridge, Yamuna River. The spectacular view of Yamuna River, and right side also you can see Yamuna River, and we are going on along Naini Bridge. I'm showing you left side and right side Yamuna River, and this is Naini Bridge. This has been built recently, not very old, and we can see only ordinary devotees. So many people, so many ordinary devotees, pilgrims have gathered, and they are now returning home. This is a spectacle, a miracle, probably the greatest religious festival or gathering on this planet.